Hello guys, my name is Kaushal Patil and our today's video topic is why string is immutable in Java. So before moving to the why string is immutable, let us discuss first what is string in Java. So basically a string is a non-primitive data type, and we can also say that it is an object which is used to store the sequence of character. It means we can store n number of characters in uh, an string. Whenever we create a string, at that time there is a two ways to create the string. Basically first one is string literal and the second one is by using new keyword. The syntax of string literal is string, then name, variable name equals to, then in double semicolon we can put the object. And the second way is by using new keywords. The syntax of by using new keyword is string, then name of the variable equals to, then new string, and in square bracket we have to put the object. In this two way we can create the string. But whenever we create the string by using the different methods, then at that time both have the different way to store the object in the memory. So let us move on to why string is immutable. So basically what is meant by immutable? So string is immutable means in unmodified or unchangeable. That means once the string object is created, the data in the string can't be changed. It can't be changed afterwards. So uh, this is why string is immutable. So whenever we create the string by method literal method, the object is stored in string constant pool memory, that is SCP memory. But whenever we create the string by using new keyword, the object is stored in string constant memory, but the reference variable is stored in heap memory. Reference variable is stored in heap memory. So because of that, whenever we call the object, at that time it will call the reference variable instead of the object. So uh, so the string is immutable because of security synchronization, concurrency, and class loading. The reason of making final is to the reason of making final is to 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 destroy the immutability and not allow to retrieve it by other. So these are the reasons that makes the string immutable. So and the second reason behind making the string immutable is basically in the string constant pool, if a string object is likely to have one or many references, and if the several reference point to some location without even knowing it will be bad in one of the reference modify the string value. That's why the string is immutable. So these are some reasons which makes the string immutable. So basically the meaning of string immutable is the string which we make will not be modified or will not be changed. So this is all about why string is immutable and string in Java. Thank you.